Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Mako Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm East Salim, the man Taylor Street.
And this is our Hoops, baby. Yeah, you gotta do the sound. You gotta do the sound. You gotta do the game banging sound. Look, you throwing all type of game sounds. But man, y'all know we love basketball, man. And like I said last episode, man, we bringing college back. And I just want to kick it off, man. I want to kick it off with the diaper dandies, Joe. The Big Ten is back in a real way.
Hey, wait. Before you kick it off, man, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment.
Do that. Support us.
Support us.
You know what I'm
saying? Now you can go.
Yeah, now I can go. I'm free to land. Let's kick it off, man. Diaper dandies, Joe. I gotta say, shout out to the Big Ten for bringing college basketball back. ACC.
Shout out Dick for Diaper Dandy.
Yeah, shout out Dick for the Diaper dandies, because that's what I'm talking about today, Joe. These are the best freshmen you probably heard about, ain't heard about. In the spirit of our hoops, I want to kick it off with the women's basketball, Joe. I'm gonna stay in Rutgers though. I ain't going too far. I'm going to Rutgers. Rutgers probably got the best freshman basketball phenom player in college basketball right now. Her NIL ain't off the charts yet, but next year, trust and believe, once Rutgers make a run in this tournament, because Rutgers is making it. They 5-3 right now. They in the Big Ten. Her NIL is going up. Her name is Kyomi McMillan. Y'all know we be messing up the names, but shorty, she from Maryland. She from that D.C. area. Y'all know where Angel Reese from, so y'all know it's nothing but heart down there. She got the handle. She got the J-ball. She got it all. So if y'all catching Rutgers, y'all out there tracking teams like I told y'all about, y'all see Rutgers women's basketball come across the tube, and y'all looking for some sweet money, man, catch her. She gonna score them buckets. They can't stick her, especially if she hot. And y'all going live on FanDuel or DraftKings or something, y'all better hop on that Kamani train, boy. Y'all better hop on that train, because she a true diaper dandy. Y'all heard it hit first on the Weekly Dog. She is the best freshman in women's basketball. And I'm going to keep it right there in Rutgers, Joe. We're going to stay in the Big Ten. I ain't going to hold y'all down because we got a lot to get to. It's our hoops, man. I'm going to stay in the Big Ten. The two best freshmen I've been seeing in college basketball so far, Dalen Harper. You know what I mean? I gotta give some love. Ron Harper played for the Bulls, won championships with the Bulls. He was a dog in Cleveland, but he got Chicago and played with Mike and Pip and Robin, and they just went crazy. So his sons, Ron Harper Jr. went to Rutgers, and now Dalen Harper is in Rutgers. Darling, y'all know we messing up the names. We off the rock. He in Rutgers too, and let me tell you, he's 6'6", and he's an animal, bro. Like, he can't be stopped. And then you got another freshman, diaper dandy, 6'10", Ace. His name is Ace Bailey. He from the East Coast, and man, they've been showing out in Rutgers, bro. The Big Ten is back. College basketball is back. So if y'all track it, y'all see Rutgers come across the school too, y'all looking for some props, y'all better hop on it and hop in there. And another sleeping team is DePaul. I got to show love to the home team. DePaul, Blue Demons. They turned it around in the Big East. I mean, y'all know when you hear Big East, you think about like St. John's, you think about like Creighton, you think about like Villanova, you think about those teams, but y'all forget DePaul in the Big East, and we in Chicago, but we in the Big East, and they holding it down in Marquette.
And they're disrespectful too about us. They disrespectful.
Oh yeah, they real.
They hate having us ranked.
They hate it.
Never ranked at the beginning of the season.
Never ranked. We 7-0. We one of the best teams in the Big East. We one of the best teams in the conference. Y'all gonna start hearing about us. Y'all know about it. Yeah, y'all know I'm Big Ten crazy, but y'all know I'm Big East crazy too. I love the Big East. So we finna get into it, man, a little bit, but look out for those names, man. Cam, y'all want to look out for Ace Bailey. Y'all want to look out for Dalen Harper. And on the women's side, she get her solo feet. Y'all know about Juju and Paige and all them. Y'all know about Flojo, but y'all ain't heard about Kamani. She been with Kamani McMillan. She been dogging. On the real, she a real dog.
Likes that.
You can't stick her. Inside, outside game, 3-level score. You can't stick her. So watch out for those names. They coming across your tube. Y'all looking for some money. Y'all eye chasing. Hop on those props, man. That's where we at on the college hoop side. That's where we at on the college hoop side. I told you I was gonna come my college hoops.
I'm gonna have to look at those names right now. Follow those names right there. Put me some place bets on them guys.
But let's get into C-Red, man.
C-Red. You see, got us red shirt American.
Yeah, y'all see, y'all know I wear this red polo. It's about business. Y'all know what it is, man. All my guys know. It's about business when I put on that red polo. So C-Red, man, Bulls, disappointing again. Disappointing Cup outing. They had it. It was in the palm of their hands. They had it, and they just fumbled the bag, bro.
I mean, they fumbled it. They played against the champions. I don't see that they fumbled it. I just felt like how refs do the Bulls. It's ridiculous. I mean, if you watch the games, you'll see that there's a lot of foul calls that happens all the time with the Bulls. They do a lot of crazy stuff. I'm talking about the refs. And then they don't play no defense, too, at the same time. That combination, you're going to lose. But what I can say is they doing what we said they was going to do. They still scoring those points. No matter who they play against.
The over been a lot.
These Bulls, they fun to watch. I mean, every time, so what I do now, America, is I don't even watch Chicago Sports Network no more. I go to the other side of it and watch the other teams broadcast just to see how other teams feel about the Bulls. And what I'm coming to find out is that these guys are saying, these Bulls they just pace, they run. The Bulls are a fun team to watch. A lot of teams think we're a fun team to watch, and they wondering like how we could be better than what we are. So saying that, regardless about that situation, I'm still in the same stratosphere, 8-12. Seed. Yes, we're still doing awesome, but the most important part is that this is the time to now get rid of the players that should be getting rid of that we've been saying as far as rebuilding. We're talking about Zach LaVine and Vucevic. What I will say is that kudos to those two because they both are doing amazing this year offensively. Maybe not defensively, but when you're talking about shooting, I've seen a lot of players out here, and it's not a tandem that's shooting like these two guys. I'm talking about Zach LaVine averaging 22 points a game, shooting 51%, 43% from 3-point from downtown. And then you got Vucevic averaging a dub a game, 20 points a game, shooting 58%, 47% from downtown, and 10 rebounds. The last couple of weeks, Vucevic's been on fire.
Right.
And a lot of teams are now looking to try to get this guy. This might be the time to get Vucevic out of here, and we might get something for him because the way this dude is playing, a lot of teams look at this group like, wait a minute, this one can play.
Yeah.
So that's the best thing right now with the Bulls for me is that the veterans, the oldies that we have out here that's kind of don't have no defense, but they got a lot of offense. They're on fire right now, and they're healthy. Let's package these guys up and get them up out of here.
Man, I'm so ready for Zach LaVine to get up out of here. I'm so ready for Vooch to get up out of here. But the problem I'm having with these guys is, for one, Vooch, he going to score a lot of points for the Bulls because he can dictate the action and get his shot because he's a veteran. He playing with a lot of young guys. So the ball kind of run through him. If he go to a team like, I don't know, whatever team need a center right now in the NBA. If he go to one of those teams and the ball don't move through him, he don't play well with others. So he gotta he the man, he gonna give you maximum effort, but he not a good role player. And then things go south. I don't like his attitude. That's probably why he been kind of hard to move.
That's not our problem.
I mean, no, it's our problem not because he on our team. We trying to get rid of him.
Because
we can't win. We ain't nothing but a play-in team with this guy. And I'm tired of being play-in. But that's where we at, and hopefully we stay at play-in and get one of those bottom seeds so we can keep our draft picks. And y'all know how I feel about Zach LaVine. We argue all the time about Zach LaVine. I'm just so ready for him to go. One night he'll give you 30, one night he'll give you 6. You know what I mean? He's so unpredictable. Some days he want to take the shot, some days he just want to not take shots. He be broke. He don't play defense. I'm really anxious to see. I really want to talk about Ball. Lonzo Ball. That's where I'm at with the Bulls at this point. I really like how Alonzo Ball been establishing his way back time after time. He been taking his time. He ain't been in a hurry.
Right.
He been easing his way back, easy. And we study seeing shades and reminiscence of the old Lonzo, how he run the flow. Open flow, he still got the vision. His defense is there.
He still got his hands.
Yeah, he still got his hands. He might not have the feet like he had, but he got his brain. Yeah. He got his hands. He got his height. He been hitting the J. I want to start seeing Ball get more minutes. I'm tired of the minutes restriction. Right? We gotta take it off. We gotta take the training wheels off.
I like exactly what they're doing right now. With Ball specifically, I think that the injury that he came from, let him go into it. To give him a whole year of just hooping like this. Don't rush it because as you can see, when they tried to give him more minutes, he kind of got hurt a little bit. But
it was his hand though. He like hurt his hand.
I mean, those things don't happen. That's what happens. You're gonna hurt your ear next time, and then next thing you know, your pinky gonna be. That's the NBA player. Right. So I was just saying, like, just he used to be out there like that. Like this, I'm liking what I'm seeing with him. Give him I like his usage. Oh. And before we go, we ain't
going nowhere. I just got started. I just started with ball. Go ahead.
Okay,
go ahead.
Well, I gotta get off ball for a little bit because I mean, I
go ahead.
ball, but head go too much.
Ahead.
Like, I gotta show love to the captain of the Bulls. Say, I'll make you officially the captain.
Who?
You're not even a starter. You know what I'm talking about? Horton Tucker, baby. Hey, shout out to Horton Tucker out here balling. Horton Tucker balling out here. Hey, Horton Tucker will have us motherfucker. He's not trying to tank. He's not trying to tank at all.
One thing I say about Horton Tucker, right? This is what I love about him. Besides the fact he's from Chicago and he represents Simeon, he everything open gym player hate. People hate playing against players like that. Because he got a J, he like short, but he long. He got long
green club.
He got a long wingspan. So he can stick taller guys. He beefy, so he can, he's sturdy in the post. He got a J, and he not trying to take it off. He's trying to get up out of there too. He barely got a job, so he like, man, I gotta score 20. He's scoring 20 on 10 shots. He going like 10. He going like nap for 10 and hitting his free throws and all. He's staying aggressive. So I like Horton Tucker. So yeah, shout out to him. You call him captain. He represents the home team. But I want to say this right here. The rookie been looking great. The jump shot been coming along.
Yeah.
The jump shot been coming along. I kind of like where we at. I just want to get rid of the dead weight. I want to get rid of the dead weight, and I want to see how these other players play together. I want to get rid of Torrey Craig. I just want to be an all-young team. I want to get rid of Terry. Hope we can get
what about Carter?
Terry up out of here. Yeah, I want to get
Terry got to go.
Terry, Carter,
Williams.
Craig, Williams, Levine, Vooch. They all just need to just go somewhere. You know what I mean? If we can package all of them together. If you can package all of them together and make a deal and just get anybody in here, I'll take G League players or Money Bates, wherever he at, I'll take him. I'll take Kemba Walker back from overseas.
Here we go, America.
You know what I mean? I'll take him back. I'll take a washing machine. I'll take a washer and dryer. So I can have some clean clothes. I'll do anything. Get rid of them guys right now at this point. But that's where I'm at, man. As far as the win total concerned, like, yeah, we excited. Yeah, we play with pace. But I want to see us win more games. I think we can win more games. And I really want to see us make a move. Hopefully we can trade all these players and get LaMelo Ball. That's where I'm at with the Bulls. Y'all know I stay there. I stay in La La Land. He got on the Looney Tunes hoodie. I got on the red polo because I mean business. You already know. So let's make a move and get LaMelo Ball, man. Let's put the Ball brothers together and get this BBB train on the road, man. That's where I'm at. I love the Bulls, but let's get LaMelo over here. He the best point guard in the league right now, hands down to me.
He ain't better than Giddy.
Oh yeah, he way better than Giddy. Giddy a bum.
Giddy got no D. Giddy, where's your D at?
Giddy a bum. He a bum. He's a bum. He better than
12, 6, and 6.
He better than Russo. Russo a bum too. He better than Russo. He better than Russo because he's younger. Because he's younger.
That was a great trade.
He'll get a ball to the other team, then come back and do a great play. Like I don't want them type of players.
Shout out to Billy Donovan too. Hey, shout out to Billy Donovan. I like your style of play, Donovan. I don't care what nobody say. For me, before you came here, I sent you to do it in Oklahoma City. You know what I'm saying? I sent you to that, what was that, Florida?
Yeah,
so
Florida.
Shout out to Billy Donovan. Don't make it seem like he a bad coach. He played tough, man. It's all good.
I ain't sold on Billy Donovan. He had more than enough chance.
Is this that Vultures here, that no defense?
Man, he had more than enough chance to get his team together, man. So he on the hot seat, man. He on the hot seat. But let's get to more uplifting conversation to talk about these Bulls, man. What's up with this cup?
Hey, the cup is finally has arrived, man. We got the top 8. We got the top 8 teams
out in Vegas.
In Vegas in the cup, you know what I'm saying? So I want to give a shout out to congratulations to the Milwaukee Bucks. Congratulations.
Bucks made it.
Y'all made it. This is we're talking about the
who you got though? Let's get to it. Who you got?
Absolutely. You know, as long as my team in it, I don't got them. I got the Warriors all day. That's just what it is. It is what it is. You know, we play against the Rockets right away. It's an elimination game. It's time to go ahead and grab them.
One and gone.
One and gone. It's one and gone. Against the Rockets. They young. We don't care about them. I love y'all. I gave y'all mad praise. But y'all record too good to be true. So we're going to test it against the Warriors. And we lost like 4 straight games. So now we thirsty right now. We so thirsty. We went on the cup game.
Yeah, so the wheels is off. The Cinderella Golden State Warriors.
Oh, that's a shot fired. Shot fired.
The Cinderella Golden State Warriors is over with for them. I ain't taking no stock in them. I'm rolling with Houston all day. I'm rolling with them guys. Okay. Green, get it done. Van Fleet, Shogun, Brooks, the rookie Thompson. They just, I mean, not rookie. He like a second-year, third-year player now, but they just been doing their thing, man. I'm a believer. I think they could go all the way. I got Houston coming out of the west side, and on the east side, I'm going with them Atlanta, man. I'm going with Atlanta Hawks, Joe. Trae Young, he feel real disrespected about last season. He didn't make the All-Star game last season. He won the All-Star reserve. He was throwing up 30s and 10s. So this year he coming back. He should be in MVP talks. At this point, Atlanta is doing what they supposed to do. They in a cup. They had one of the best. They had one of the best records in the in-season tournament cup games. Trae Young on a whole other level right now. Like he didn't kind of got acclimated to the NBA, the do's and don'ts. And man, he could score at will. He already know he got one of the best J's. But the way he getting his young guys involved. Dyson involved, Johnson involved. They got one of the top rookies from Europe. He get him going like, you got to watch out for Atlanta. They sneaky. They still got Capella. They got other homie that came from Virginia who like a dog. Like, you got to watch out for Atlanta. They got the worst odds in the tournament. They 20-1. I'm going to the betterverse real quick. They 20-1. Matter of fact, they 21-1. So they plus 2,100. So if you bet $1, you get $21. Bet with the Atlanta Hawks. And I think the Hawks got what it takes to take it. I'm not sold on New York. I think the Knicks is soft. They play New York first, so that's going to be a hell of a game. Trae Young, Trae Young playing in the Boston Garden. You know he hate the Garden. He like the biggest Garden villain since Reggie Miller. So I can't wait to see Trae Young in the Garden with those young dogs against weak Karl Anthony Towns. I hate the cat. Cat's so weak to me.
And that's next week, guys. That's next week. Tuesday and Wednesday next week, the in-season tournament, top 8 teams, Elite 8 stars. Just so y'all know. I'm just leaving that out there for you guys. December 10th and the 11th.
So I'm rolling with Atlanta Hawks and I'm rolling with Houston. Them my 2 teams, and that's where I'm at, Joe, with the cup.
Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead because I gave my Warriors up there. So you bet on mine. You bet on my Golden State.
Yeah, we're going against each other.
And then you know what? I don't like really New York like that, so I'm just gonna go with who the hottest player in the league right now. I'm gonna have to go with Milwaukee, Joe. I think they got something to prove. You know what I'm saying? They gotta have something to prove right now. We're talking about the Milwaukee Bucks. We're talking about Antetokounmpo. You know, it's his time to shine. The dude averaging like 40 points, almost 40 points a game like last week or so. And then literally, it's time for them to show something, show big. So that's what it is. You feel me? That's how we're gonna do it.
And that's how we're going to do it, man. It's the Weekly Dog Sports Band Podcast Show. The spaceship been acting up, and so we flying all around. AI ain't acting right at all. So we gonna get up out of here, man. We gonna see y'all back on the next episode. Looney Tunes. We gonna come back with it, man, because AI ain't acting right. The other side of the break, when we come with East Top 5.
Top 5.
Other side of the break, man. Holla back. It's the Weekly Dog Sports Band Podcast Show, and we out.